That's a G-Wagon from the 80s, guys. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. And we got traffic. Guys, welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Today we're gonna go check out my buddy Imran's workshop. He's been calling us for a while. He's just opened it up recently. It's called Kick Shift. We're gonna go meet the boys. You know, there's nothing much we can do right now because obviously because of lockdown. A few businesses are opening up. So yeah, workshop being one of them, and we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully get one of his famous burgers. So he started a burger company called the Smoky Kitchen, and bro, the burgers are so good. Ruel, you yet to try it, right?
Yeah, amazing.
It's so good. You're gonna have some today. If you stay in town in Mumbai, South Mumbai, I mean even up to Bandra they deliver. So today we're gonna check out the workshop. A lot of rare cars over there, and a lot of new projects coming up. So we'll see what they're up to. And yeah, go out in the Nissan, man. It's been a while. Bro, did you miss the Nissan?
Yeah.
So yeah, get some cool footage of the Nissan too for you boys.
You know, 51% of people who watch our videos, they're not a subscriber.
51%. Yeah. So guys, before we move further, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and make sure you hit like. If you guys keep hitting like and if you guys subscribe, you know, it supports our channel. I don't know if it's going to be trending, but you know, gets us to the popular page at least, and more people view it. The more people view it, Ruel's happy because you know he spends a lot of time and effort on these videos. And obviously, it makes me happy too. So go ahead and like it and subscribe if you haven't, please, because 51%.
Yeah,
51%. That's a lot, guys. It's more than half. If you know, 1% more. Do the maths, quick maths.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
And we got traffic. More like lockdown 1.0 again. Guys, so check this mod out on the Rapide. He's done a black vinyl to give you the effect that the trunk's open. Definitely a one-of-one mod. Okay, so guys, you got an old Land Cruiser here. You got a race car, Honda Jazz with a broken windshield. Old G-Wagon, check it out. That's a G-Wagon from the 80s, guys. We'll definitely come back and check that out in a sec. But yeah, we're here at Kick Shift, just pulling up right now. And they work on all types of cars, as you can see. You got gypsies, you got off-roading Jeeps, you got the Benzes, and yeah, let's go inside and see some more. All right, so we're here, we got an old school G-Wagon. It's actually a manual too, check it out. Manual gearbox, 4-speed, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, it's a 4-speed gearbox. 4-wheel drive, obviously. Look, it even has the ocean handlebar over here, like all the G-Wagons do. And yeah, just check it out, man. Another old school SUV, check it out. It's an old school Toyota Land Cruiser. You don't see many of these, especially like a 4-door, like big body like this. It almost looks like one of those older Jeeps. A lot of restoration needs to be done, but you know, Amy's gonna kill it. Kick Shift. We got a Honda Jazz here that's used for track only. Got a cracked windshield, I don't know what's going on with that, but as you can see, it's got a roll cage, racing seats, completely gutted interior. Look at the steering wheel. Completely gutted. This car probably weighs next to nothing. Finally got the burger from Smoky Kitchen. It looks good so far. It's the mutton. Well, you have to try it. It's so good. Alright guys, so check it out. I guess the Indian Navy donated it. Wouldn't it be the Air Force? But anyways, it's over here now. It looks like it's real. Do you think it's real, Ruel?
Yeah, of course.
How many wars do you think it's been in? It looks like it's in pretty good shape. Oh wow, from 1983 to 2016. What is that?
30 years.
33 years of service, man. Yeah, right? 33?
No.
33, bro. Yeah.
43.
40? No. 33. It's 33, right? Wait, hold on. Let's hold on. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, 33.
33. Come on, man. What the hell, Ruel? Stick to videos. I'll do the quick maths. We got Shadow's twin over there. Milo or Kylo, I don't know what his name is. Check out that Land Cruiser, super clean. We got a live vlog going on the Activa 3CCC. Check it out, only in Mumbai. Hashtag unlock 1.0. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that little video today. It was fun getting out, you know, it was fun hanging out with Ruel, obviously. Always a good time. Meeting up with Imran and all the friends, and you know, shout out to Imran again in the Smoky Kitchen for the amazing lamb burgers. How are they?
They're good, they're
They're
good.
so good. Probably one of the best lamb burgers I ever had. Just melted in your mouth, not in your hands. Yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember to subscribe. 51% of the viewers are not even subscribers, so, you know, like I said, that's more than half, technically. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't. It'll really be a big help. Of course, if you can, if you do find the time, and if you like my face enough, go ahead and share it, please. So yeah, see you guys soon. The S-Class review is coming up soon, Ruel. I'll have to see you soon for the S-Class review. So yeah, it was a fun time driving in the 300, right?
Yeah, plus empty roads.
Yeah, kind of. But yeah, see you guys next time.